Here's a quick video how Scoutflow can help you create a production-ready Kubernetes environments within minutes. Here, all you have to do is go to your settings page first, add your cloud connection you want to create your infrastructure at. So I can just go to create new, choose the permissions I want. So it could be a read-only access, a write access, or a connect cluster access. Since I'm creating a new infra, I would need a read and write access. And I can just name the credential here saying. Now behind the scenes, Scoutflow creates a temporary CloudFormation template that helps us connect with the cluster. We don't store any keys on our side. These keep rotating, so it's much more secure. That is AWS recommended method to connect to cloud. Once your cloud is connected, now this could be across all of your cloud organizations, your customers, anyone you want. You could just go to My Clusters page, select the environment or the workspace you want it to be deployed at. So let's say if you have 5 customers, you can quickly choose the customer name. If you have 5 environments, you can do the same. Go to add cluster, create cluster here, select the cloud template you want, select the region, and here's the beauty of Scoutflow. You can select your node configuration here. You can select if you want to use their existing VPCs or create new ones. You can also here choose the minimum and maximum node configuration, the system category, the architecture type you want it to be deployed at. And Scoutflow also helps you create like an on-demand or spot instance. And you get an estimated cost. Not only this, you can have multiple node groups right here with Scoutflow. You also get external add-ons like Prometheus, Argo CD, Grafana, Nginx, all of this to make it production ready immediately. We also add other add-ons like CoreDNS, kubeproxy, and other things needed. While creating a cluster in Scoutflow itself, since we have an RBAC permission set up, you can select what permission somebody needs to have for this cluster creation. So these are my multiple users. I can select who has access to this particular cluster and then hit deploy. It typically takes 30 minutes to create a cluster, but the moment it's done, this is how it will look. You get one single dashboard with your entire cluster. You can see the add-ons right here. We also have an Argo CD gets deployed here for seamless deployments for your Auto CD. Apart from that, you can also see all your applications deployed here. You can see your observability directly right here, where you can see the CPU, memory usage, pod usage, and can go as deep as seeing the workloads, the pods. Scoutflow also directly use the logs for each of the pod logs as well. And you can just directly upgrade the cluster here if needed, like any change request happening here, which is with the edit cluster button. There are alerts set up as well as settings where you can select who gets access to what permissions here. So this is a quick overview of how Scoutflow helps with just creating clusters on day one.